Hi, this is Johan and welcome to your Business Bud. If you look at your life now, can you say that you have achieved the dreams you want to achieve? Was there something you wanted to accomplish then, but until now you still haven't achieved it? Maybe you often tell yourself to just give up. But before you decide to give up, I want you to know now that there is nothing wrong with your goal. There is also nothing wrong with yourself. Because you took action, and you still tried to accomplish that goal. So what's the problem? The problem is that you are following the wrong system for your goal. If you think about it, people who succeed and people who fail can set the same goal. But the only reason for the difference in their outcome or result of their goal is the system they use. It's just like getting rich. Everyone has a dream to get rich or to have abundance in their lives. But that doesn't mean that they will both fulfill it, because even though they have the same goal, their system is different. So what is the difference between a goal and a system? The goal is the things or states you want to achieve. For example, setting $100,000 business revenue this year. Able to travel to beautiful places abroad. Or have a healthy body. The goal is to give you direction in your life. The system is the process, or the required action that will lead you to your goal. Let's take for example, you want to have the latest Nike shoes. But here's the question. Will the shoe come to you just because you want it? No. Because you must have enough money to buy that shoe. One of the secrets of successful people is this. They always focus on the system for their goal. Because they know that this is what will give them results. In our video today, I will give you 3 tips on how to set a goal and how you can execute it properly. Watch the full video, because here, I will tell you everything you have to do to get the things you seek. And remember, together, we can. Tip number 1. Be specific to your goal. It is not enough to tell yourself that you want to get rich, or that you want to save a lot of money. You must have clarity, and create an actionable plan. Best-selling author James Clear said that, many people think they lack motivation when what they really lack is clarity. You are not going to feel motivated to do the things that are related to your goal, if your goal is not clear in your mind. So, the first thing you do to make your dream come true is give it clarity. Most people know that they should not spend more than their income, save money for their future, and learn how to invest, so that when the opportunity comes, they have enough capital and investment knowledge. But what they often do is the opposite, because they still continue to spend more than they earn, and as a result, they often ended up getting into huge debt. They also don't save money, and they also don't have investments until now. Such a mistake is only the result of a lack of clarity. Because if you know what you want to happen, and the actions you should take, you won't be distracted because your attention is focused only on things that are relevant to your goal. So how do you set a specific goal? Let's take money as an example. First, find out the right amount you want to get. For example, you want to be able to save $12,000. Second, you should know where you are going to use it. What is the purpose of your goal? Is it for investment? Emergency fund? College fund? Or for business capital? Third, set the right time when you want to achieve it. For example, you want to gain it in 12 months from now. And fourth, write down all the actions you will take. So based on a $12,000 goal, and 12 months timeline, you only need to save $1,000 every month. Or $250 every week. Then ask yourself, what will you do now to get your daily target? Will you avoid overspending? Will you look for a business sideline to earn extra money? There's so much you have to do now to get your daily goal. Because when you don't get your daily goal, you also don't get your weekly target. When you don't get your weekly target, you also don't get your monthly goal. And if you fail in your monthly goal, it is impossible for you to achieve your 1-year goal. So it's just like a domino effect. The mistake you make at first domino will affect everything else. So before you decide and take action, make a goal first and make it specific. Tip number 2. Focus on the goal that has a big impact on your life. There are many parts of our lives that we value, such as our health, family, money, and other personal needs. So often, we are confused about what comes first, because we think they are all important. All you have to do, to easily identify the most important goal for your life, is to look at your current situation. or write down everything you want to achieve. Then ask yourself, if there is one thing I really want to achieve now, which of them will give a positive impact on my life? And when you know that thing, apply our tip number 1. Make it specific and focus on it. Because no goal is fulfilled if you don't focus, and if you don't make it a priority. When you make your goal a priority, you will avoid wasting time, because everything you do every day is only reserved for the most important thing in your life. Tip number 3. Take action. Once you have chosen a goal and clarified it, take action. Motivational speaker Jack Canfield said, "The world doesn't pay you on what you know. It pays you on what you do." It's really fun to set a goal. Think of things you'll do when you achieve it and plan ahead. But that is only the first part of the process. At the end of the day, we are still looking for results. Aside from determining what you want to happen in your life, you need to be biased in taking action. Because here you will know what didn't work, and how to correct it. You will definitely experience mistakes, but change your perspective. Think of the mistake as really part of the process. And it's also a sign that you're doing something new in your life. And you didn't let yourself get stuck in your comfort zone. The direction of your life will be based on what your goal is. And the quality of your assessment is based on the action you take every day. So just keep taking action, and don't be disappointed if you feel you still haven't achieved your goal. Just imagine that, no house is built after you make a blueprint, because you have to take the time and action to finish it. Just like in your goal. After you have created the system, take immediate action so that you can gradually make it happen. I hope you learned something from our video today. Don't forget to subscribe so you are always updated on our videos. Thank you so much for watching. And may all your dreams come true. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.